look forward to getting back on the court today and preparing and thinking about Kentucky and not worrying about the way we lost the last game. Thought we were frustrated some, showed some immaturity at the end, had to deal with foul trouble and some other issues, but you know, we had our opportunities and we got to be able to put that behind us and get ready for the next game.
What lessons do you hope the team learns from how the game finished, both in regulation and overtime?
Just to be able to be strong and under control in tough times. You know, we didn't demonstrate that as a team in that situation, in that game. We got rattled. We got frustrated at the officials. We got frustrated, you know, at the other team, and we didn't execute coming out of timeouts at the end. And you know, that's some of our lack of immaturity, and we still should have won. You know, we had the ball with 34 seconds and gave it to them under the basket. You know, freshman mistakes, and so hopefully we can't make those mistakes again.
I mean, locker room's always going to be a little bitter, especially after a loss like that. We should have won. We were up 10 points in the second half. We pretty much controlled the game when we wanted to, and then you just let it slip away. So I mean, we were bitter and we were a little upset, but when we got off the plane, when we got back home, we realized you can't do anything about it. You can't change it. Just like any good sports team can, you have to move on and move on to your next opponent. That's what we try to do with Kentucky. You can't get that one back, but we can steal this next one.
What have the older guys told you about what to expect at Rupp Arena in that kind of setting, that environment?
It's pretty big and loud. You just got to be focused in there, not rush anything, and just play our game, not to their strengths.
What are you looking forward to about going to Rupp Arena?
I guess I mean, it's a nice place. You know, I heard from what I've heard. I never played there, but I just want to go up there and get the win like last year.
Is it a tough turnaround having to, on the road, a couple of days on your back on the road again, or are you kind of glad because of what happened that you get back on the court?
Well, as a coach, I'd always want another day probably to prepare, but you know, that's just the nature of the beast of league play. And next game, move on. You know, and hopefully we'll be ready to move on. And this is probably the toughest place to have to go move on to, you know, at Kentucky. But I know we'll be excited to play.
Kentucky has some long guys, 2 7-footers, a 6'9", and Julius Randle. How are y'all going to defend the paint with their size? We'll
have to do it by our team. You know, there's not any one-on-one defense against Kentucky. Their 5 starters will probably be 5 first-round draft picks, 4 of them for sure. So, you know, it's going to take a team effort. We're going to have to swarm the ball, swarm the paint, and hopefully limit them to one shot, because Julius Randle, his motor is at another levels of anybody's we're going to play against, and his talent. So, you know, we're going to have to just do it by committee, and everybody's going to have to do their part.